In this video, we'll see how to create parent-child relationships skills for our subject. The skills are also known as formative assessment. To create our skills, you click on exams, manage formative assessment. So in the landing page, it will list out all the draft skills, live skills, and completed skills. As there are no skills over here, so it's showing no data available. Now we'll create our skills. We'll click on create class assessment. We'll select our class, say 8A. Select our subjects, say English. So if this skills is parent skills, we'll check it as the parent skills. Now we'll say yes. Reading. And say now another assessment type. If you want these skills to be rubric or skill based type, select as skills. I'll select as skill. Now if the skills is related to the term, you can select term over here. If it is to be evaluated throughout the academic year, so it is optional to select. So it is term 1. Now evaluation count, if you how many times you want to evaluate these skills. If you want to evaluate these skills 2 times in a term, say and enter 2. Or if you want to be evaluated skills for 4 times, say 4. If you evaluate only once, say enter 1. Case field is also optional, so if you leave it as blank, it will by default it will create as 1. So later we have to evaluate the skills sequence. This sequence is helpful for displaying this order of the skills in your report card. If you want these skills to be displayed at the 4th position or the 2nd position, say 2nd, so this skill will be positioned at the 2nd position in your report card. Then descriptions, so you can add the description regarding the speakings. So we'll write the descriptions over here. So I have entered description as evaluating student speaking skill based on performance. So I'll say create. So now speaking skill is a parent skill created for our English subject. Now we'll create child skills for our parent skill. So we select click on class assessment, then we select our class, then we select our parent skills. The parent skills for speaking skill for English. So by default English subject will be selected, and in these skills will be considered as a child skill. So now reading means pronunciation, right? So say pronunciation is a child skills for our speaking, and when we select our parent skill, by default it will take the evaluation count and sequence for our child skills. Now we'll add the descriptions for our skills. So descriptions I'm entering. So this is our description for our pronunciation. Now evaluation type, say video, but if you want to evaluate with radio button type, say radio button, you can enter all these values like good, excellent, improvement, and you can separate all these radio buttons value by separating adding comma. If you want numerical type of evaluation, you can set numerical, and you can set the maximum value of evaluating, say 10. Now say owner, if you want some specific teacher to evaluate these skills, you can set the owner by from this is also optional. And if you are creating the skills at the start of the academic year, and you can set the probable month of evaluations. So if I want to evaluate the skills at the month of July and the month of third week, so we can set the probable month and week of evaluation in, and say create. So in this way, I have created pronunciation as a child skills for my speaking child skills. Okay, we'll just verify if the skills is created or not. I say select my class. It was for English. Say get skills is the speaking skills, right? So I'll click here. It will show me like pronunciation skills. In this way, we can create parent child skills for our subjects.